guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Anthony.
Hello, my name's Anthony.
I love this human.
Oh,
Just have to throw that out there. He's one of my favorite people. He's so funny and so kind. And he also kind of looks like with this hair like Jon Snow vibes.
I'll take it,
We are loving this.
Thank you, Ro, you're amazing.
If you haven't already, go check his channel out. I'm putting a link down below. Subscribe, show him all the love. He is the best. If someone hadn't been to your channel before, what kind of like videos, they're funny, what kind of videos will we find?
The newest stuff that I'm doing, it's a series called I Spent a Day with blank, and I like to sit down with 2 or 3 people, part of a subculture that's maybe misunderstood, misrepresented, and give them a chance to speak about things in kind of a funny way, but also an intimate and genuine way.
And I really, really love your new content.
I'm doing I Spend a Day with Nudists next.
Whoa!
Gotta learn the truth about that one.
So one of the reasons I wanted to invite you on today is because we are making a delicious vegan recipe. And I know that you're vegan.
I am. You text me out of the blue. You're like, I have the best recipe and it just so happens to be vegan and it's delicious. And I was like, please, can I be there to try it?
I'm gonna admit something right here.
What?
The very first episode that I ever did that was vegan on Nerdy Dummies was with Anthony, and was
That's right.
good but not great. I'm gonna put a link down below to that. That was like so many years ago. Oh
my God, how many years ago was that? 4 or 5 years ago, 4 or 5 years ago. Almost 5 years ago. Almost 5 years ago. We were babies.
I was a little baby.
Yeah, I've grown up so much. I'm finally an adult.
I got taller.
You did, look at this. Not because you're wearing a shoes that are.
Tall heel.
Look at that! She's a Spice Girl.
All right, fun fact, everyone. Coffee cake doesn't actually have coffee in it. And I know what you're thinking. Why? Why would people name it
Why would they name it that?
And I just want to say, I don't know. I don't make the food rules, okay? This existed before me. But I guess it's because it's a cake that goes very well with coffee.
What doesn't go well with coffee though, right?
Everything could be a coffee cake.
Everything could be a coffee cake. Every type of cake could be a coffee cake.
Agreed. A coffee cake is really a cinnamon cake with a streusel on top. Not to be confused with strudel.
No.
Strudel's a different type of dessert. The streusel is the crumble that goes on top, that really yummy texture. Let's get started. First step, we're making the streusel, which goes in the middle and the top of the cake. I'm gonna be putting all of the measurements and ingredients down below, so if you wanna follow along at home, you can. All right, Anthony, I'm putting you to work.
Yes.
Boom, here we go.
Make me work for that coffee cake streusel.
All right,
all
so
of them just,
all
okay.
All in the bowl, you're gonna add the flour. And this is butter, but it's vegan butter.
Should I plop it in?
Yeah, all of it.
Just a nice plop.
And you want it cold, not warm. You want it cold.
I have confirmed it is cold.
Yes, and
tastes good.
Brown sugar and cinnamon.
Oh, you don't even have to mix this together for it to smell like heaven.
Then with the fork, you just mix it in there, squish it in. You gotta work that butter. Get it.
Get
that butter around
really work
there.
it in, mash it in, smash through
Do we
the
need a bigger
fork
bowl?
prongs. I don't know.
Maybe. Let's get a bigger bowl. Anthony, do you have any cute nicknames? How come people can't say your last name?
Padilla?
I have the same problem.
Pansino?
Yeah.
Wait, how is that hard to say?
Pansino.
They say Pansino?
Pansino.
Where are you from? Do you think Pansino is a real thing to say? Don't say that.
Every press outlet and show I've been on, they're like, Rosanna Pansino. And
You should know where the emphasis goes on the second syllable.
They say Padilla.
They do say Padilla. There's people.
Padilla.
I have people.
Vanilla.
I have people with my same last name telling me that I'm saying my last name wrong. I'm like, who are you?
Padilla. How is that hard?
The people say it's Padilla. People say it's Padilla.
Good job, Mr. Padilla. This looks great.
Did I do a good job? Am I the streusel god?
You have done it. Streusel God points right here.
Thank you. Thank you. Feeling good about this one.
Holy streusel.
Should we throw this in?
Yeah.
Have a good time here?
This is very well done. We're setting this off to the side. Anthony's mixing in all of the dry ingredients. We got flour, we got baking powder, we got baking soda, and salt. And then whisk together till well combined.
Oh, you know I'll do that.
Look at all of our bowls of yumminess.
I don't know if this looks yummy. I don't know if I'd eat this side of it. That side
It's a little dry right now.
It's
a little dry right now.
Yes.
This smells like heaven. Like.
That smells like the coffee cake that I know and love. This Smells like nothing. All right, is this
Okay,
well
these are
mixed?
great. All right, we'll put these off to the side.
Master mixer,
Boom.
boy. The apple cider vinegar, I think, is a very important secret part of
Yes.
many vegan recipes.
Yes.
Because whenever the things are good, this is always part of it.
Oh, he knows. And I
Yeah.
love that you know this. So we're adding a little bit of apple cider vinegar to almond milk, and we're gonna let it sit for just a couple minutes. I'm actually gonna get a fork and mix it
Sure,
together
sure.
just a little bit, and it's gonna kind of curdle.
Is that the point of
And-
it?
Yeah, and this is gonna replace buttermilk.
Oh, that's what the secret is.
It's a really good substitute. So
Yeah.
if you ever have a recipe that calls for buttermilk, but say you're dairy-free, like lactose intolerant, or you want to do a vegan recipe, you can just do this, a little bit of almond milk and apple cider vinegar.
And it's
Boom.
so tasty.
I'm gonna give it a little mix, just a little bit.
That was it? Wow.
Yeah, you can let it sit for like 10 minutes if you want to,
Okay.
but I'm gonna speed it up just a little bit. We're gonna throw it
Throw
in
it in
there.
there?
Anthony,
Go for
can
it.
you pour this
Oh,
in the mixer?
I would love to have this on
Here,
it.
let me try to give you a little bit more space. We're gonna
Sure.
unlock it, put it
Oh,
up.
Wow.
Boom.
This
Yeah,
is
you
the
can pour it right
cutest.
through.
I want to just acknowledge how clean and pristine this is. So we add all of these ingredients in as well.
Everything. So we're gonna add
Okay.
sugar, a little bit of applesauce. This is gonna add some moisture to the cake. It is not gonna taste dry. It's not gonna taste like a cake that has no butter, even though there's no real butter.
You mean it's not going to taste vegan, as people call it?
Yeah, so we've got oil and a little bit of vanilla extract. So we're gonna mix that all together.
Okay.
Then we're gonna slowly add our flour mixture. Once that goes together, let's put on a medium speed, Anthony.
Medium.
Like a 3 or 4, something in there.
Get in there,
Oh,
applesauce.
maybe faster.
Get in there, applesauce.
Whoa, okay. Medium high speed.
Medium high. That's like a level 6.
Wow.
There's a level 6
that's
right there.
looking good.
You got to get a little audio of this. This is a little ASMR for your senses.
Oh, listen to that.
Sounds like I'm in like some kind of, I'm in a spa with a beautiful fountain next door
Sounds like a fountain.
with a very loud motor.
Machine.
Yeah.
Machine motor.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Do I lower it or what?
Let's do this. Let's do it
Lower
while it's
speed?
mixing. You think we can do this?
Let's do, I think you can. I don't know
Okay,
if I
let's
can.
get a little messy here. Let's do it. Ah!
The streaming helps. I like how there's flour on the top part that'll never make it into the liquid.
Push it in there. Push it in there.
A little bit on the side. This means that you did something right. This means you had fun today.
I'm so
Okay?
messy. Okay, Anthony.
We need a
your
little
turn.
mess. Oh, you think I can do it? I don't know if I can do it any better than that. I'm just giving you a hard time.
It's such a big bowl. It's
Yeah.
hard to pour in
It
there.
is pretty
I'll
massive.
put on blockers.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, maybe
this is
this
like
will help.
this is like the bumpers when you're bowling. Thank
Okay,
you.
we did it. We did it.
There's a little bit here on the side. Does that need to make it in? Is this going to be a make or break?
I mean, I feel like we could just put in there.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. This is a clean counter.
Yeah, it's very clean. Don't worry about it. So we've got batter. We've got our streusel, and now we're gonna layer it in this really greased 8-inch round pan over here.
Just 8 inches of love.
Yeah, and
All of it.
we've also got a piece of parchment paper at the bottom. This is rolled up, but I cut it and I stick it at the bottom.
It's a good cut.
Look at that.
Is that to make sure that you can pop it out easier?
Yeah. This is a pro tip,
Pro
Anthony.
tip.
When you're baking, you
Yeah.
don't want to mess around with a cake
Yeah.
sticking
You don't
in
want
there
to
and
be
falling
shoveling,
apart.
chiseling it off the bottom.
Just put a piece of parchment paper
Yeah.
in there.
Life hacks
Boom.
with Ro.
All right, so Anthony,
Yeah.
eyeball it.
Eyeball it?
Yeah, guess. Like pour in about half the batter to the pan.
Okay, it's about, okay.
Doesn't need to be perfect, but
Okay.
just kind of guess. And then I'm gonna give you a little spatula.
Uh-oh.
And then flatten it out.
Uh-oh.
Let me see. Well, that's looking good.
Is that-
yeah?
is that
that's
enough, or do I
great.
do
I
more?
don't know if that's half.
I don't know, I can't
I
tell.
honestly can't tell either. Let's see if it will spread. This cake isn't as tall. All right, now we're gonna add some
Is this flat
crumble.
enough?
Yeah, that's flat.
Okay, I'm trying to make it perfect, but
I mean, that
it doesn't
looks
have to be perfect,
really
right?
good. Yeah, you covered that
Okay,
really
okay,
good.
okay, good.
Then we do half the crumble. Just flink it on the top. Look at that.
Get so much crumble in
Let's
there.
get in
Just
there.
rain it down.
Yeah, spread
Ooh.
it pretty evenly.
Yeah.
Can you turn this a little for me?
Yes,
So I
ma'am.
can get the other. Like,
Yes, Miss Pansino.
There we go. There we go. Pansino. It's
Yes, Miss Pansino.
And it's Miss Pansino to you.
Just make sure you get an emphasis on pants.
Pansino.
And then we'll figure out the rest later. Pansino.
We need that Anthony Padilla over here now. Get
Padilla.
that Anthony Padilla.
People are always saying, get that Anthony Padilla.
Yeah, get that Anthony Padilla.
That's all I would hear back in school.
That Anthony Padilla, he's hired. Angry Birds too. Go check it out.
Oh, boy, are you gonna talk about
You can see
that?
I'm embarrassing him, but
Yeah.
he's a little bird in movie.
I got 4 lines, okay? Don't hype me up too much.
If you're watching Angry Birds, the part 2, it's in the first, 10, 15 minutes.
Yes, why did I tell you this info to use it against
He's a little green bird.
Yeah, I am. That's a thing. Yes.
Anthony Padilla's doing it.
Padilla, all of the above. Do we do more?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, do we do another layer?
Yeah, we do batter, streusel, batter, streusel.
Oh, damn.
So,
I want to see that
let's do
rap
it.
song.
That should be
Batter.
our new
Streusel.
song.
Batter. Streusel. Batter.
Streusel.
Are we going?
Batter.
Let's go with it.
Oh, that looks so good. Let's put all this crumble on.
I'm trying to get every last
Anthony,
drip of the cream out,
this
the batter.
looks amazing. If I had a gold star to give you, if I had a golden whisk like they have on TV shows, I would give you that golden whisk. Bing,
I'm
right
disappointed
now.
you don't have a golden whisk. That was part of the reason I came out here. I just thought that was a given.
I need to step up the bougie game.
Yeah, step up the bougie game.
Bougie baking. Anthony, he done did it.
It's gotta be perfect.
This
If I'm
looks
here,
beautiful.
If I'm on the Ro Pansino's channel, it's gonna be perfect.
You want to do the honors?
I don't know if I can hold that kind of.
Is it too much?
It's a little bit much
Okay,
for
I'm gonna
me.
go for it. I'm gonna go for it.
Okay.
Whoa!
Looking good.
Okay, we gotta spread it out a little. Here, can you help me?
Okay, I'll be the spreader.
And I'm gonna just help you too. Just spread it.
If you need an extra helping hand, you know I'll always be there to spread your streusel.
Oh, we're being a little messy, but also I feel like this is my art. This is where
messy art?
Yeah,
Which
on the
part?
top, I just gotta like let it flow.
Just let it rip and roar.
Okay, I feel like all that flair is gonna help us.
Absolutely. I love it. Oh, that looks so good.
This is ready to bake.
My stomach is going, yes, give me it, please put it in me.
Me too. This is actually gonna be my lunch today.
That's gonna be my breakfast. I gotta be honest, I did not eat this
You
morning.
didn't eat breakfast? Oh no!
I forgot, I had to run over here and I forgot.
Okay, we'll go quack. Okay, quack. We'll go.
Quack, quack.
That was Angry Birds joke.
Oh God, really? You're gonna bring it back to that?
All right, so we're gonna heat the oven to 350 degrees and bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes, and then we can have breakfast lunch.
Our cake is in the oven and baking. What are we doing now?
This is totally optional, but I wanted to make a glaze.
Ooh, yes.
And it's so easy. 2 ingredients. Powdered sugar, almond milk.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
And it's vegan? All right, should we try it?
Yeah, just pour it on in there. And then with a spoon, mix together. And once it's mixed together, I'm just gonna put it in a little piping bag. And if you want your glaze to be thicker, you add less almond milk. If you'd like it to be runnier, like I like thin glaze, just
You said like cinnamon roll
like
glaze
cinnamon
is how you
roll
like
covering
it.
a cinnamon
that's so
roll.
good.
That's it too.
Oh, it's getting, oh yeah.
Yeah, just mix together till it's smooth and there's no more little clumps.
Yeah.
And it's ready to go.
Look, that looks great.
This looks really good.
That looks good.
That's what I want. That's what I want. I want a runny glaze.
I think I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, taste it.
Approved.
Approved.
Approved. All right, our cake is baked. We gave it plenty of time to cool, and oh, let me just tell you, you wish you had smell-o-vision. I'm sorry you don't, but it smells very, very, very good.
Okay, I put our glaze in this little bag, and I'm just gonna cut a little bit at the end. We don't need a fancy tip or anything.
Yeah. Glaze
and I'm
it.
gonna do a little drizzle on it.
Drizzle.
Okay, like this, like just a little like zigzags.
Oh, that's how they do it.
Okay,
I gotta be honest, I didn't know how they did
I'm
it.
gonna have you do it now.
What? This
Yeah.
is a lot of pressure.
It doesn't have to look perfect. Just give it some drizzles back and forth.
I think we're gonna know which side was my side, which side was yours.
No, no, you won't.
Oh, you can't tell. Look
You
at that. I
can't
did a good
tell.
job. Do I get a gold star?
Woo!
Do we want to do more? I feel like we need more on there.
Okay, put some more on there. I really like it because the decoration to this recipe is so simple, so easy. There's no fondant. There's no like detailed little candies.
It still looks good and it tastes great.
Even though this recipe is sweet, every coffee cake recipe that I've seen that I could find had about twice the amount of sugar.
Oh, really? So this is less sugar than the standard model?
Reduce the sugar and it's totally vegan, dairy-free, and it is amazing and it's so moist. You were not gonna be biting. Are you ready for this?
No, you just spoke my language down to a T. All the things I wanted to hear, all in one sentence.
I'm drooling.
I'm drilling too.
Okay, so we just glazed it on top of a drying rack with a little cookie sheet underneath because it will catch all your mess. Do I transfer it to a fancy, like, stand? Let's be fancy. Let's try to pick it up together
I gotta be
and
really,
not drop
I'm gonna be real delicate here because we got one shot. I'm not gonna ruin this row.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, lift.
Oh yeah!
Over.
Look at that! Oh, look at that! What? Oh, it can even spin. Oh, that looks flawless.
Okay, we need plates. Let me get us some cute little plates. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
You want to do the honors?
Wait, we should cut it together.
Okay, let's do it. Come on, come on. Okay,
We're not married.
Come on, come on,
yet.
come on. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is just what it's like.
Wow, I feel like I'm getting married.
I want a big slice.
Oh, you're going massive.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes. Wait, should we cut a second one?
Yeah, okay, yeah,
Okay.
oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Don't
so
forget about
good.
me. Come on, wifey.
So sorry.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I'm
Great.
sorry, boo. I'm just like the hunger's taking over.
Yeah, I get it. You know, you gotta feed yourself.
I'll serve you first.
Oh, look at how
'cause
sweet you
I was
are.
so rude before.
Look how sweet you are.
Oh, there we go. Oh, look at this big arm.
Oh my God, that's massive.
You know what? I'm gonna have a little cheat day.
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
We gotta take a bite and
Yes.
cheers, because this is, and we have to do this thing where you go like this.
Wait, I'm taking a massive bite.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Wait,
Oh, you're
let me
going for
get a
more?
let me get a
Oh,
little-
now you're gonna be juggling
have
little
to
pieces.
match. Oh, jeez.
Wait, are we going like over,
Yeah, we have
under?
to do this.
Okay.
Wait, oh no!
Oh shoot! We gotta go quick.
Okay,
I'm looking in your eyes.
Yep.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
No!
That's good.
I need to take a break. My butt turned on.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my God. Okay.
Anthony just turned the stove on.
My mind doesn't know what's. I'm blacking out.
Isn't it so moist? It's amazing. Oh my gosh.
Bro, you have created a masterpiece.
Thank you. Anthony, we did it. We did it.
I'm gonna give us a round of applause, mostly Ro, but a little bit me, a little bit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, I don't know if I can
This is
finish shooting this.
My second favorite vegan recipe I've ever made in
Oh,
my
this
life.
is so good. And I'm not just saying that.
We test bake this forever.
I can tell. This has been test baked to perfection. Wow, Ro, I really would marry you instantly
Oh
for
my
this
gosh.
recipe.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh my God. We'll just get married in this video.
No, okay.
Yeah. What's our vows?
Ro, you've always meant the world to me. This coffee cake means even more to me.
That's really sweet of you. My vows to you is that I will cook delicious vegan food.
Oh, you're giving me promises?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you'll never get bored.
Oh, I like that.
One thing I can guarantee.
I'm sick of getting bored in my
I'm
marriages.
kind of like a handful.
Let me tell you, I'm sick of
warning.
it. I need some excitement in my marriages from now on.
Okay, we'll spice it up. I love
you-
this recipe. It is so good. Thank you for coming and baking
Thank
with
you
me
for
today.
inviting me, and it's the best vegan baking recipe I've ever had.
Oh my gosh,
Ever.
thank you. I
Ever.
tried really, really hard because our first one together, the donut, was
It was good. It was mid-level good.
it was okay. It was good.
This is
But
perfect
I had
10.
to bring you the best.
This is more than a 10 out of 10. Yeah, I mean that.
Thank you.
I
I
do.
tried so
Good.
hard on this.
Yeah,
I
I can
really
tell.
hope you guys enjoy the recipe and you check it out and try it on your own. It is
Try it.
so delicious.
Try
I'm gonna
it.
be putting all the measurements, ingredients down below. I'm also going to be putting Anthony's links
thank
to
you,
his
Ro.
YouTube.
Thank
Go
you.
show him some love. Check
Thank
him
you.
out. Subscribe.
Subscribe to her if you're
Give
not
him a
already.
like.
Subscribe to Ro.
Subscribe,
A lot
ring
of
a bell.
people, watch these videos and don't subscribe. Just do it. It means something, okay?
Yeah.
Subscribe to Ro.
It really does mean a lot to us. Oh my gosh. Also, go watch Angry Birds too.
Stop,
Go
stop,
Anthony. He's
stop.
a little green bird.
Oh, shush.
How?
Oh, shush.
Okay, bye you guys.
Bye.
And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here
Or click over here.
or there.
We're raining these
Here
other videos.
Or there. There's
Yeah.
two. I mean, two to choose from. That's a lot.
Which one are you gonna choose? The better
This one?
ones choose this side. Just
Or that
saying.
one.